Dana got her Redbubble gift. It's her design. It's her t-shirt. Oh, it's a t-shirt. See how it turns out.
Okay, hold up. Here.
Hey, it's Joltik.
Joltik.
Hey, it's really turned out really nice. It look like the oldest one.
Yeah.
Let's see how big it is. Show it to Daddy. You like it?
Yes.
It's nice. Does the color turn out the way you're expecting it?
Not really, but it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Dana will put it on and see.
Yeah, it's alright.
Hey, Dana already
Joltik.
wear it. Look a little bit.
Okay.
What do you think about it?
It's good.
You like it?
Yes.
Now you're
Joltik.
waiting. You're waiting for
Yes.
the
Waiting
mouse
for the-
pad. It's the same
Yes.
design as this one. Dana designed it. Look at her Joltik. She designed it herself.
Shiny Joltik.
Nice. It really turns out really nice. You're really good on the shading over here. The eye,
Yeah.
the purple. It's pretty.
Here, look at it, the light.
Yeah, Dana used a Medibang to make the design, and we put it
Yeah.
on a t-shirt. Good. Now we're waiting for the other one. Maybe
Look at him.
it will come tomorrow. Look, the light. It's
Yeah.
really glows. It looks like it really glows. Show it to Daddy.
Okay.
So we got our package from Redbubble. Find your thing. It's a really nice package. So Dana will open it because it's hers. It's her design. And let's see how it looks like. But this one, it's on. Ta-da! It's on mousepad.
I'm not gonna show you the front yet. What's this? Sticker.
Yeah, it's a sticker. So they include
Arby's
Redbubble sticker. Okay, let's see. What do you think about the size? So this is just a regular. Oh, that's cute. It's Joltik.
Yes.
It's so cute.
Does my mouse like it?
Dana designed it.
My
She did
mouse
pretty
likes
good on shadowing, and I like this part here. But it's like
Yeah.
just light. It's look like a firefly.
Yes.
It's
The.
firefly. Did you like it?
Yeah, I do.
See, the material that they had here is really nice.
Yeah, it sticks to tables.
The color is nice.
Yeah.
Dark green.
I could just put this on top of
And,
my current mouse
yep.
pad.
Dana will just put it on
Put
top
it
of
right here.
his old
On top of
mouse
my
pad.
current mouse pad.
And you didn't wear your t-shirt today, so we'll wear it next time. Okay? What you think?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Dana likes it. Okay. So bye.